Just perfect for an Amish like me. You know I shun fancy things like electricity. At 4:30 in the morning I'm milking cows. Jebediah feeds the chickens and Jacob plows. Cool, and I've been digging and plowing so long that even Ezekiel thinks that my mind is gone. I'm a man of the land, I'm into discipline. Got a Bible in my hand and a beard on my chin. But if I finish all of my chores and you finish thine, then tonight we're gonna party like it's 1699. Oh, been spending most of my life living in Amish paradise. I chewed butter once or twice, living in Amish paradise. It's hard work and sacrifice, living in Amish paradise. We sell clothes at discount price, living in Amish paradise. A local boy kicked me in the butt last week. I just smiled at him and I turned the other cheek. I really don't care, in fact I wish him well, cause I'll be laughing my head off when he's burning in hell. But I ain't never punched a tourist even if he deserves it. An Amish with a tooth, you know that's unheard of. I never wear buttons but I got a cool hat, and my homies agree I really look good in black. Fool, if you come to visit you'll be bored to tears. We haven't even paid the phone bill in 300 years. But we ain't really quaint, so please don't point and stab. We're just technologically impaired. There's no phone, no lights, no motor car, not a single luxury. Like Robinson Crusoe, it's as primitive as can be. Oh, we've been spending most of our lives living in Amish paradise. We're just plain and simple guys living in Amish paradise. There's no time to sit and fight. We don't mind, we all play nice, living in Amish paradise. Hitching up the buggy, churning lots of butter, raise up on a Monday, soon I'll raise another. Think you're really gracious, think you're pure in heart. Well, I know I'm a million times as humble as thou art. I'm the pious guy the little Amish wanna be like, on my knees day and night, scoring points for the afterlife. So don't be vain and don't be whining, or else my brother, I might have to get rid of evil on your hiney. Oh, we've been spending most